Hi guys, since I'm suffering from a facial infection these days, so I have to wear a mask for this video recording. Sorry about that. So firstly, open my OTree Studio page. We need to add a project here. I already have one, so just click into it. We first need to add app in this project. Let's say public goods. I have already added one here. Public goods. If you wanted to add other apps, you can like choose here or just a blank one. Okay, then I need to set up my session configs. Here I already have two sessions. I can just add a new session configs. Let's choose public goods. Then go to the download. We need to download the OTree zip for this session. So find the OTree folder on my computer. OTree folder. Here it comes. And find the project that you just download, copy it into this folder. Then you can see in your terminal. We have to run this zip file. Okay. So open my browser to this link and play the game. So the session I just created is session 3. So you can see the session is open online. So let's play in split screen mode. So this is the public good game. The default setup has 3 players. And we can see the instruction. So after reading the instructions, we need to simulate the 3 players. Say next, next, and next. Here in the form, you can see the status of these 3 players. So for the first player, let's say I just wanted to contribute 0 to this project. Next, you can see the status of the first player. He's waiting for player 2 and player 3 to give the answer. So let's say 15, 50, and 100. Next and next. So after the 3 players submitting their answers, the results show up. So for each players, the results gives your contribute, other participants contribute the total contribution, your earnings, and your total earnings in this game. Here's the results for the 3 players. So above, you can see the monitor section shows the status of the players. And if we click in the data section, we can see the summarize the data for this game. You wanted to download this data, you can download as CSV or Excel, just like Excel. We can see the data has already been downloaded. Click into it, and we can see the detailed data here. And also click the report section. You can see the report of this project. You can see the app name, public goods. The round number is 1 because I just ran 1. And here is the report for this game. Okay, back to my session. If you want to know like the detailed descriptions and the detailed settings of this project, you can just click it in apps, and we can see here there are totally 4 constants in this project, and we can like just singly change it over here. Let's say if you wanted the player gain be 5, just change it to 5. Like number of rounds, change it to 2, and then you need to play 2 rounds. The total number of endowment, in our last round we only have 100. You can change it to 200 here, and also the multipliers, you can also change it. Just very simple, just change it over here, and the code will like automatically change. Like in the step session, you can see the Python code. It's just the programming written for this project, very simple. Okay, here are also the details, like including the introduction, contribute, results web page. So all those settings are over here, and you can make changes to it. So we just make change to the constants. Let's play it again. Session, my session, public goods, session 3, download OTree zip again. We can see project saved here, which means the changes we just made have been already saved. Also, copy the zip file you just downloaded into the OTree folder on your computer. Here we open this game locally. You can see the number of participants has already been changed from 3 to 5. Open each link in its own browser tab to play it. So for player 1, we can read the instructions. We can see the changes have already been made here. The group of 5 participants. Each participant in the group is given 200 points. Next, let's say 0 for participant 1. Go back to and click player 2. Next, let's say 50. And or say 150, and the last one be 200. Next, so since the 5 players all completed their answer, we can see the results over here. This is the result for the 5th player. So you can see how much you contribute, other players contribute, and total contribution, total earnings, your earnings, and your earnings in total. So click each link to see the results for each player. Go back to session 3. We can see the data over here, the summarized data, and also download as Excel or CSV here. Click the Excel, just download it to see the results. And also we have report. Okay, since we have 2 rounds, so we need to play the second round to see the results. If we click next, we will have round 2. Let's enter the number for number 2 for each player. just in the reverse order. 100, 150. Okay, 200. So here, after the 5 participants complete, you can see the results from round 2. Finish. Go back to the session page. Over here, to see the monitor, you can see all the participants have completed 2 rounds. We can see the report over here of the total 2 rounds, and also data. Refresh, download it. So basically, this is my example for public goods. Thanks for watching.